Dear WABAGites, I would like to congratulate you on this occasion of World Water Day. As you all know, World Water Day is celebrated globally on March 22nd every year with a view to have a positive reinforcement and also to increase the awareness in different parts of the globe about water conservation, water efficiency improvement, wastewater reduction and reuse, and also availability of clean and safe drinking water. I understand World Water Day this year is based on UN theme Nature for Water. Nature-based solutions to various water challenges including planting of trees, afforestation. A good example of this afforestation is Rwanda, where they have agreed to plant trees and cultivate almost 200 hectares of deforested land. Also, it includes rejuvenation of various water bodies and rivers, interconnecting of rivers and rainwater harvesting. These measures will ensure water balance. We must remember water is finite and we all must use it responsibly to achieve water sustainability and water security. As water professionals, we should ensure safe and clean water is available and also water is used more than once. Water sustains agriculture, water sustains industry, water sustains energy, and finally, water sustains life. Hence, water is an essential part of our life and we should ensure that we conserve this water. Thank you.